Welcome to another learner's license revision and practice. Let's get started.
Question. What does this sign show you? 1. You may not turn left ahead. 2. You may not turn left there. 3. There is one way to the right ahead. Select the correct combination. A. 2 and 3 only are correct. B. 1 and 3 only are correct. C. 1 only is correct. The correct answer is C. 1 only is correct. This sign, known as the left turn ahead prohibited sign, is displayed on any public road before a junction. Its purpose is to prohibit vehicles from making a left turn at the intersection ahead. Drivers must ensure they do not attempt to turn left at the indicated intersection, as it is not allowed. Question. This sign shows you that A. Will get a freeway ahead. B. Will get a one-way road ahead. C. Must only drive straight on. The correct answer is C. Must only drive straight on. This sign shows you that you must only drive straight on, meaning you are required to continue in the direction indicated by the arrow, do not attempt to turn, or go in any other direction. Question. This sign A. Shows you that you may not pick up people. B. Prohibits you from using the hooter. C. Shows you that there is a hospital ahead, where you must not make a noise. The correct answer is B. This sign prohibits you from using your hooter. It is an excessive noise prohibited sign, typically found on public roads near sensitive areas such as hospitals, churches, and homes for the aged. The purpose of this sign is to prohibit noise, especially from vehicles. If your vehicle's noise level is high, you must not proceed past the sign, and you are prohibited from using your hooter for 100 meters after passing the sign. Question. This sign shows you that A. No cyclists are allowed there. B. You must be on the lookout for cyclists. C. It is a special lane for cyclists. The correct answer is B. This is a pedal cyclist sign, warning you to be on the lookout for cyclists. It alerts drivers that pedal cyclists may be present on the road, either using or crossing it. The sign is typically displayed on any road where cyclists are likely to be, and it advises you to slow down and remain cautious. The warning is in effect for the next 2 kilometers, so drivers should stay vigilant and give way to cyclists where necessary. Question. This road marking warns you that A. There is a level crossing with one line ahead. B. Roads cross ahead. C. The freeway ends ahead. The correct answer is A. This road marking is known as the railway crossing ahead and warns you that there is a level crossing with one line ahead. The marking is placed on any road before a railway crossing, typically between the warning sign and the crossing itself. Its purpose is to alert drivers to the presence of an upcoming railway crossing. Drivers should slow down and, if necessary, stop before the crossing to ensure it is safe to proceed. Question. What does this sign show you? A. Stop and drive on when it is safe to do so in the sequence that the vehicle stopped at the stop line. B. It is the same as a yield sign and you can proceed without stopping. C. Makes sure that it is safe, wait until all traffic has departed and then drive on. The correct answer is A. This sign, known as a four-way stop, is found at intersections to bring traffic from all 4 directions to a stop. Drivers must bring their vehicles to a complete standstill behind the stop line, or if there is no stop line, in line with the stop sign. Vehicles may proceed only when it is safe to do so in the sequence that the vehicle stopped at the stop line. Question. The sign here shows you that the road A. Is slippery for 12 kilometers. B. Is winding for 12 kilometers. C. Is winding 12 kilometers from there. The correct answer is B. This sign, known as a winding road, is typically found on public roads, especially in mountainous areas, to warn drivers of a series of curves ahead, which extend for 12 kilometers. Drivers are advised to slow down sufficiently to navigate the curves safely or stop within the visible distance. It's important to note that there could be additional curves after the first one without further warning. Question: all road signs with a yellow background such as this one are signs: A. Temporary. B. Warning. C. Tourism. The correct answer is A. Temporary. All road signs with a yellow background, such as the one above, are temporary signs. These signs are designed to draw attention to a temporary situation, such as roadworks, day tours, or special events, and they take precedence over any permanent signs while in place and must always be obeyed. Question: this sign shows you that the road A. is untarred, B. is winding, C. is slippery. The correct answer is C. Slippery. This sign, slippery road, indicates that the road ahead is slippery, typically due to conditions such as rain, ice, or loose gravel. Drivers are advised to reduce their speed, maintain a safe following distance, and avoid sudden braking or sharp steering to maintain control of their vehicle. Question: what does this sign show you when it flashes? A. The police have a blockade ahead. B. There is danger in the road ahead. C. There is a robot ahead. The correct answer is B. This sign, when flashing, indicates an emergency flashing light and is used to warn drivers of a hazard or danger in or on the road ahead. It can be displayed on any road and serves as an alert for potential dangers such as accidents, obstructions, or other emergencies. Drivers should slow down and be vigilant, looking out for additional road traffic signs that specify the nature of the hazard. Question: this sign shows you the A. recommended speed when your lights are on. B. maximum speed allowed at night. C. distance to the next town. The correct answer is B. This sign indicates the maximum speed allowed at night and is commonly referred to as the speed limit, nighttime sign. It informs drivers that the regulatory speed limit displayed applies only during nighttime hours. Question: this sign shows you that A. only motor cars may not pass each other. B. no motor vehicle may pass each other. C. there is a bridge ahead where only one vehicle at a time can cross. The correct answer is B. This sign, known as the overtaking prohibited sign, indicates that no motor vehicles may pass or overtake each other for the next 500 meters. It is typically displayed on public roads to inform drivers that overtaking is prohibited, ensuring safety in areas such as narrow roads, blind spots, or locations with potential hazards. There may be warning markings on the road surface before the sign to alert drivers that they are approaching a section where overtaking is not allowed. Question: road marking GM1 in this sketch. A. is only found in a parking area. B. shows the lanes for road users. C. divides the road in two sections. The correct answer is B. Road marking GM1, as depicted in this sketch, shows the lanes designated for road users. Question: what is the difference between road marking AA6 and road marking Y3? A. AA6 shows you that you may not pass other vehicles, while Y3 as well shows you that you may not drive over it to turn into a yard or anything else. B. there is no difference between the two and both show you that you may not pass other vehicles. C. both show you that you may not pass other vehicle, but you will find AA6 on all roads and Y3 on freeways only. The correct answer is A. Road marking AA6 indicates no overtaking lines on any road with two-way traffic, meaning you cannot cross the line, except to gain direct access to an entrance to a property on the other side of the line, to gain direct access from such an entrance to the road, or to pass a stationary obstruction when it's safe to do so. On the other hand, road marking Y3 indicates no crossing lines on any road with two-way traffic, signaling that you may not cross this line under any circumstances, except when driving around a stationary vehicle, or obstruction in the road provided it's safe to do so. Question: when are you allowed to drive in the section left of the yellow line, RM 4.1 in this sketch? 1. Any time when you want to allow another vehicle to pass you. 2. In daytime when you want to allow another vehicle to pass you. 3. When on a freeway with 2 lanes in both directions, and you want to drive slower than 120 km per hour. 4. When you have a flat tire and you want to park there to change. Select the correct combination. A. 1, 3 and 4 only are correct. B. 2 and 4 only are correct. C. All of the above are correct. The correct answer is B. 2 and 4 only are correct. You are allowed to drive in the section left of the yellow line during the daytime when you need to allow another vehicle to pass you, as this provides an opportunity for safer overtaking in some cases. Additionally, if you have a flat tire and need to park to change it, you may drive over this section of the line in an emergency situation. Question: this sign shows you that A. A freeway starts. B. You are not allowed to drive there without permission. C. There is a road with 2 lanes ahead. The correct answer is B. This sign, known as Unauthorized Vehicles Prohibited, indicates that you are not allowed to drive on the road ahead without special permission. It is typically found on any public road where it is necessary to close the road for general traffic, such as at roadworks. It prohibits drivers without proper authorization from entering a specific road or section of a road.
To access the complete learner's license quiz, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.